Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. On the morning of May 26th, Bishop Joseph Bo Kwang Kang, Bishop of the Diocese of Bac Ninh, celebrated the Mass of priestly and diaconal ordinations of a number of young Salesians. The celebration, held at the Don Bosco Parish in Huan Hiep, was attended by Father Barnabas Lee An Phong, Superior of the Salesian Province of Vietnam, Father Dennis Soro, Superior of the Salesian Province of Southern West Africa, and a large number of Salesians, religious belonging to other orders, members of the Salesian family, parishioners, relatives and friends of the ordained. In his homily, Monsieur Joseph Bo Huang Kang reminded the audience that receiving ordination means serving all of God's people. Before the end of the Mass, Father Barnabas Lee An Phong wished to thank the Bishop and the whole community for his part. Father Soro expressed his gratitude for the Vietnam province, since among the new priests there are also 2 Vietnamese Salesians who carry out their missions in Ghana. Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Counselor for the Salesian Mediterranean region, completed the extraordinary visitation made on behalf of the Rector Major to the St. Mark Salesian Province of North East Italy, INE. The extraordinary visitation took place from October 2022 to 30th of May 2023 and was an opportunity for great unity and inspiration for the Salesian communities in the Triveneto. During his stay, Father Perez Godoy had the opportunity to visit all 30 Salesian works that are part of the INE province. Through these visits, he had the opportunity to meet Salesian communities and lay people who dedicate their lives to the service of others. These meetings were very meaningful as they allowed for an even closer bond between the members of the Salesian family and for them to share common experiences and challenges, educative and pastoral communities. In particular, he had the opportunity to meet many young people, especially during the Salesian Youth Movement SYM meetings in March, sharing the joy and enthusiasm for Salesian life with them. The theme of the 9th International Congress of Mary Help of Christians was officially announced during the World Advisory Council of the Salesian family, held in Turin from 19 to 23rd of May, leading up to the Feast of Mary Help of Christians. The Congress will be held in Fatima, Portugal from 29 of August 2024 to 1st September 2024. The theme will be, I will give you a teacher. The 9th International Congress of Mary Help of Christians, a Salesian family event, is promoted by the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, in agreement with the Secretariat of the Salesian family and with the Salesian family of Argentina. It is a recurring event in the recent history of the Salesian family and able in every circumstance to deepen and revitalize a special and essential aspect of the spirituality of Don Bosco and his followers, devotion to Mary as the help of Christians. On 26th May 2023, the Executive Secretary of Don Bosco International had the pleasure to attend the first day of the Porto Social Forum 2023 organized by the Portuguese government, supported by the European Commission in Porto, Portugal. The Porto Social Forum represents the second edition of the Porto Social Summit held in 2021 during the Portuguese presidency of the Council of European Union. Alongside the existing instruments of economic and social policy coordination, the biannual European Conference allowed to monitor the achievements on the Child Guarantee and the national actions plans, follow up their implementation and introduce new priorities according to the evolving economic, social and political context of Europe. During the conference, representatives from European institutions, member states, civil society organizations and social partners had the opportunity to share points of reflections and expertise on the protection and social inclusion of children. We continue to help Ukraine. This is both an invitation and a confirmation of his activity launched by the Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Arteme, on the sidelines of the presentation at the Teutonic College in Vatican of his book, The Charism of Presence and Hope, a year traveling with Father Angel Fernandez Arteme. The book brings together the journeys undertaken by the 10th successor of Don Bosco from the beginning of 2022 to March 2023, visiting houses of a congregation that operates in 136 countries around the world and all continents. I fully agree with the Holy Father and I believe that he offers us so much light and so much strength, the Rector Major explained, speaking of the mission for peace between Ukraine and Russia established by the Pope. I think that even when political movements and nations go down a political particular road, we must continue to offer these elements of hope and seek encounter and dialogue when possible, he added. Father Angel Fernandez Artime also spoke of justice. Without justice, it is not possible to obtain peace. Ours must be a journey of dialogue, together searching for a common path for peace, bearing in mind that there is no peace without justice. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.